Next problem, find the equation of the common chord of the circles and also find the length of the common chord. I will explain this problem. So consider x square plus y square plus 3x plus 5y plus 4 equal to 0, x square plus y square plus 5x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Let these circles be S and S dash. We know that the common chord of two circles is their radical axis, that is S minus S dash is equal to 0. So common chord of S and S dash is S minus S dash is equal to 0. That will be x square plus y square plus 3x plus 5y plus 4 minus of x square plus y square plus 5x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So it will be x square cancelled, 4 cancelled. So 3x minus 5x minus 2x plus 2y equal to 0. So x minus y is equal to 0. This is the common chord. Now you have to find the length of this common chord. Means the circles are intersecting each other. They are intersecting like that, and this is the common chord. You have to find this length. Length of chord or common chord. Length of chord is 2 root r square minus v square. You have to use this formula to find the length of the chord or common chord. You can take any circle and you have to take one circle and its radius. So let us consider this circle S. Let S congruence x square plus y square plus 3x plus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. So I am considering this circle. So this radius R1 and the distance D are R and D. By using the formula 2 root R square minus D square, you will find the length of the chord. So center C is minus 3 by 2 comma minus 5 by 2 and radius R is root over 9 by 4 plus 25 by 4 minus 4. So root of 34 minus 16 by 4. 34 minus 16. It is root of 18 by 4. Now let D be the perpendicular distance from center to the common chord. So let D be the perpendicular distance from C minus 3 by 2 comma minus 5 by 2 to the line x minus y is equal to 0. So D is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 by root of 1 plus 1. So it will be 5 minus 3, 2 by 2. So it will be 1 by root 2. Now you have R and D. Now length of the common chord. Length of common chord. Common chord is equals to 2 root R square minus D square. So 18 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So 2 root 18 minus 4 by 2. So 2 root of 8. That is the length of the common chord. And I have to complete this problem as homework. Now next problem, show that the common chord of two circles x square plus y square minus 6x 6x minus 4y minus 9 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 23 equal to 0 is the diameter of second circle and also find its length. Now these are the given two circles. We have to show that the common chord of these two circles is the diameter of second circle. Diameter is a line which passes through the center of the circle. Now let us consider the common chord of two circles. So common chord of S and S dash is S minus S dash is equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 9 minus of x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y minus 23 equal to 0. X square y square will be cancelled. So 2x plus 2y plus 14 equal to 0. X plus y plus 7 equal to 0. This is the common chord of two circles. Let it be equation 1. Now consider the latter circle x square. Consider s dash congruence x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y minus 23 equal to 0 with the center 4 comma 3 and the radius r is equal to root of 16 plus 9 plus here it is plus, so minus 23. It will be root 2. That is the radius of the circle. Now let us verify whether center, so here plus 23, so you will get minus 7. Whether the center of S dash lies on the line or not. Now consider C 4 comma 3 on the line x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So 4 plus 3 minus 7 you will get 0. So 4 comma 3 satisfies the line. That means the line passes through the center of the second circle. If any line passes through the center of the circle, it will be a diameter of the circle. Therefore, x plus y minus 7 equal to 0 is the diameter of S dash is equal to 0. That is the second circle. Now you have to find the length of that common chord. So length of the common chord. Here the common chord is nothing but the diameter of second circle. So length of the common chord is equal to 2r. Since length of the common chord is nothing but the length of the diameter, so it will be 2 root 2. That is the required answer. Very important concept for even MCET exams. Another very important concept for even JEE exams. Now any circle passing through the intersections of S is equal to 0 and L is equal to 0. Now you can see a circle S and L intersected at the points P and Q. Now how many circles we can draw passing through these intersections of the circle and line? You can see. You can see, you can draw infinitely many circles passing through these two intersections of the circle S is equal 0 and L is equal 0. Now see this. Here S congruence x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. L congruence ax plus by, let lx plus my, lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Now s plus lambda L means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c plus lambda into lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Now this equation represents a family of circles passing through the intersections of s is equal to 0 and L is equal to 0. You can draw infinitely many circles passing through the intersections of a circle and a line like this. Now depending on the value of lambda, you will get different circles. So x square plus y square plus 2g plus lambda m into x plus 2f plus lambda m into y plus c plus lambda m is equal to 0. Now you can see this is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this equation represents a circle passing through the intersections of s is equal to 0 and L is equal to 0. So very important concept. Now for different values of lambda, you will get different circles. They will give you certain conditions to find the value of lambda so that you can draw a circle passing through those intersections. Next problem. Find the equation of the circle passing through the intersections of the circle and the point 1, 2. You can imagine the circles like this. Now these two circles are intersecting at A and B. Now you have to find a circle passing through these two intersections like this, and the point, a particular point 1, 2. Now let us find the common chord of these two circles so that there will be a line and a circle. Now you can draw infinitely many circles passing through the intersections of s is equal to 0 and L is equal to 0. So consider S congruence x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 21 equal to 0. S dash congruence x square plus y square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So common chord of S and S dash, that is S minus S dash is equal to 0. It will be minus 6x minus 6y plus 21 plus 15, 36 equal to 0. So x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the common chord. Let L be the common chord. Now you can observe there is a circle passing through the intersections of S and L. So required circle can be written as S plus lambda L is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 21 plus lambda into x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. This is our required circle which is passing through the intersections of S is equal to 0 and L is equal to 0. Now it is given that this particular circle is passing through the point 1, 2. Now it is passing through the point 1 comma 2. A particular point, let P be the point 1 comma 2. You can substitute that point here. 1 plus 4 minus 8 minus 12 plus 21 plus lambda into 1 plus 2 minus 6 equal to 0. So it will be minus 20 plus 21. So 1 plus 1 plus 4. 6 minus 3 lambda equal to 0. So 3 lambda is equal to 6. Lambda is equal to 2. Now replace the lambda, value lambda here. The required circle will be x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 21 plus 2 into x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So therefore x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 21 minus 12, so plus 9 equal to 0. This is the required circle passing through the intersections of s is equal to 0 and l is equal to 0 and a particular point 1 comma 2. So you can draw infinitely many circles, but there is a circle, they have asked a circle which is passing through 1 comma 2. Now next problem, if the line and the circle intersecting at A and B, this is given like this, there is a circle and a line, these two are intersecting at A and B. Now find the equation of the circle having AB as diameter. You have to find the equation of circle having AB as diameter. Now, this is the diameter of our required circle. So our required circle is having center on that line. So it is the diameter, so the center lies on that line. Now required circle can be written as s plus lambda l is equal to 0. There is a circle passing through the intersections of s is equal to 0 and l is equal to 0. So it can be written as s plus lambda l equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4 plus lambda into 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Now this can be written as x square plus y square plus 2 lambda x plus 3 lambda y minus 4 minus lambda equal to 0. Now this circle is having center on the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. So consider the center of this circle C minus lambda comma minus 3 lambda by 2. Now the center lies on this line, lies on 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. So 2 into minus lambda plus 3 into minus 3 lambda by 2 is equal to 1. So minus 4 lambda minus 9. So minus 4 lambda minus 9 lambda by 2 is equal to 1. Minus 13 lambda is equal to 2. Lambda is equal to minus 2 by 13. Now you have to replace lambda here in the required circle. Therefore, required circle x square plus y square minus 4 plus minus 2 by 13 into 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So 13 into x square plus y square minus 4x minus 9y 52. You will get minus 52 plus 2. So minus 50 equal to 0. That is the required circle which is having center on that line. Very important model.